Hey guys, welcome back to the AWS Cloud Demos. In today's demo, we will look into how we replicate objects from one S3 bucket to another bucket in a different region, right? So what is cross-region replication? So basically, why do you want to do it? When you want to back up your data, right, into a different region, for example, you have hosted your data into a region in US East 1, and then you want to have a backup of your data, then you can do a cross-region replication. And also when for example when you have a latency requirements like if you want to reduce the latency for your users who are located globally, right? So you could do a cross-region replication which will reduce the latency. For example, if your users are in US and in Mumbai, for example, if you replicate the objects in Mumbai, that would be even closer to them, right? So that is one use case. Another one will be for example, like a compliance requirements. For example, if there is any data which is region specific, then you would use the cross-region replication, right? So I have opened this page here. You can see there are multiple use cases, like when to use cross-region replication. Like as we discussed the latency, we have also discussed the compliance requirements, and also there is one more operational efficiency, which is nothing but the maintain the copies of the object, right, in a different regions. Okay, so that is why that is the reason why we want to use the cross-region replication. And also you could do the same region replication, and also you could do a bi-directional replication. There are multiple use cases, but in today's demo we will look into the how we do a cross-region replication between two regions. Okay, it's not bi-directional. Okay, so we will do only from one region to another one. Okay, so I will paste this link in the description box below, so that you could go through all the things that we can do with the cross-region replication and with the S3 bucket. Okay, so let's go ahead for the demo. So what I'm going to do, I've already logged into my console. Okay, so just go ahead and search for S3 over here, and click on S3 like so. So you open up your S3 page, right? So you can see the list of buckets over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on create bucket on the right side. Click on create bucket, and the bucket name is something like Murli source one. I hope this name is available. And also you can see that the AWS region is Asia Pacific. Mumbai is AP South one, right? So I'm gonna use US East one for my source bucket. Okay, and then I will replicate my objects into the AP Southeast one to the Mumbai region. Okay, so choose whatever the region that you think it is suitable for you. For me, in this case, I'm gonna choose US East one. Okay. Leave this ACLs disabled, default recommended. Just you can unblock the public access, and also select this I acknowledge. Okay, and go down to the bottom, and for the bucket versioning, you just enable the bucket versioning. Okay, and just click on S create bucket. I think just review the changes that you have done, and once you're happy, right, you just go ahead and click on create bucket. Okay, like so. There you go. Now you have created a source bucket, which is Murli source one. And I'm going to create another bucket, which is a target bucket. Okay. In my case, go ahead and Murli target one. And then I'm going to choose my Asia Pacific AP South one. Okay. So this is my another region, right? So I'm going to create this bucket in another region. Okay. So this is what we want to do. Like we want to replicate our objects from one region to another region, right? So, okay. Go ahead and also unblock all the public access and go ahead and select the I acknowledge, and you should be enabling the versioning. Okay. And then go ahead and click on create bucket like so. Okay, so now that you have created a source bucket and destination bucket, so what we're going to do today is we will open up this source bucket, and we will upload an object which will be replicated into my target bucket. Okay, so for this, go ahead and open your source bucket and click on management like so. And if you scroll little bit down, right, you can see the replication rules. Go ahead and click on create replication rule, like so. So we're going to create a rule, okay, and Murli rule one. You could put something that makes sense to you guys, okay. You enable leave this default and go ahead and choose apply to all the objects. I want to apply to all the objects, okay, which is in this is the source region, and then go ahead and specify the bucket, which is Murli target one. In my case, this is my target bucket. Okay, you could also choose the bucket in another account, as you can see this option, right? You can play around with these options, but for this demo, I'm going to just choose the bucket in this account. Okay, and go ahead and also select the create new role. So that's going to create a new IAM role. So you don't need to worry about that. Go ahead and enable the encryption and also select the AWS S3 encryption. And you could also use the AWS KMS keys if you have one. Okay, if not, you can go ahead and create one and use the KMS key for the encryption. Okay, so now that you have selected the encryption, you have selected the IAM role, destination bucket, source bucket, and what now? So if I go to you could also change the storage class. As you can see, destination storage class, you can directly put it in the OneZone IA, like so. In my case, I'm going to just put it in OneZone IA. After 1 month, it should be moved to OneZone IA. So I'm just choosing the correct storage class because I want to, reduce the cost on my objects on my bucket. Okay. So if you want to learn more about these storage classes, I've already created a video. Please check out the links in my channel so that you will be able to follow through all these videos. Okay. So in my case, in this case, I'm going to choose OneZone IA and then go ahead and click on save. Okay, so it takes 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so replicate the existing objects. No, I do not replicate the existing objects because I do not have existing objects. So I'm going to choose no, do not replicate the existing objects. Click on submit. There you go. So now that you have created the replication rule, so close this on the right side and go ahead and open up Murli source one. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and upload a object that I have. Okay, and then this object, which is a PNG file, click on upload. Sorry, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm saying update, but that's upload. I'm so sorry. Upload and then click on close. So now that you have uploaded a object into your S3 bucket, which is Murli source one, and this object should be replicated in your target bucket, which is Murli target one. So as I said, this will take 3 to 5 minutes to display the object that we have created here. So keep refreshing for some time. So there you go. It was pretty quick, and you can see the object which was uploaded in the source one. I could see that object in target one. Yeah, I think, and also you can view this object, copy the object URL, I think, and just paste it. Okay, maybe that is not enabled, so that's fine. But the point is that we want to see the cross-region replication, right? So I think this will make sense, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. And if you like it, please like it, thumbs up, and subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much. I will be doing more demos, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.